Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a discount on a Xero invoice, so let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and navigate to the Sales section by clicking on the Business tab. From there, click on Invoices to view your list of invoices. Next, select the invoice you want to add the discount to. Once the invoice opens, you'll see a list of items or services you've added. To apply a discount, you have two options. You can either apply a line item discount or a global discount for the whole invoice. For a line item discount, click on the item line where you want to add the discount. Then, you'll see a small field for discount, where you can enter a percentage or a fixed amount off that item. To add a global discount for the entire invoice, scroll to the bottom of the invoice, and you'll see a discount field. Enter the percentage or the fixed amount for the overall discount you want to apply. Once you've added the discount, Xero will automatically update the total amount of the invoice. You can then review the invoice to make sure everything looks correct. After you've reviewed it, you can click Approve to finalize the invoice and send it to your customer. And that's it. You've successfully added a discount to your Xero invoice. This feature is great for offering promotions or giving your clients a special deal. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.